In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase font size in the Microsoft PowerPoint app. This is a simple skill that makes a big difference in readability and overall slide quality, whether you're preparing a report, a lesson, or a pitch. I'll walk you through clear, practical ways to make your text larger and share a few tips so your slides look polished and consistent. Start by opening the Microsoft PowerPoint app on your computer. From there, open the presentation you want to edit or create a fresh one if you're starting from scratch. Once your slide is on screen, click the text box that holds the content you want to resize. If you only want certain words or a specific line to be larger, click and drag to highlight just that part. If you want everything in the box bigger, make sure the entire block of text is selected before you change the size. Now head to the Home tab at the top. In the font group, you'll see the font size box. You have two options here. Open the drop-down and choose a larger number from the list, or click inside the box, type the exact size you want, and press Enter. Typing a number is great when you have a specific target in mind, like matching a template or making headings a bit more prominent than your body text. Another quick method is the Increase Font Size button, which looks like a capital A with an upward arrow. Click it to bump the size up step by step. This is handy when you're experimenting and want to watch the change happen as you go. So if the jump is too big or too small, alternate between the font size box and this button until it feels right. For an even faster approach, select your text and press Ctrl plus Shift plus on Windows. This shortcut increases the font size instantly and is perfect during live edits when you don't want to take your hands off the keyboard. After increasing the size, check the slide's layout. Make sure your text still fits neatly. You can resize the text box by dragging its corners, and if lines feel cramped, adjust line spacing in the same area where you manage text formatting. Aim for a balance. Headings should stand out, body text should be readable from a distance, and spacing should look clean. And that's how you increase font size in the Microsoft PowerPoint app. It's a small adjustment that delivers a big boost in clarity and professionalism. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.